when I hold you away.
Hi friends, hope you all will be fine. Welcome back to my channel Beautiful and Modern Home. Today I'm going to show you all artificial grass decor in the backyard and garden. This is the beautiful wall and the artificial grass and the stonework that you can see alternating with each other and giving such a beautiful look. Here, this is another view and it looks very pretty when you look outside from your glass window or pan. This glass looks very pretty. This is another view. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification of my future videos. Do comment and share. This grass looks very pretty. I hope you all like the video. Take care. Bye bye.